In my last video, I exposed a lot about Facebook Marketplace, hidden secrets, insider tips, and how to make more money using the platform. But today, I am taking it a step further. With Easter and Sallah around the corner, I will be revealing trending, fast-selling products you can list right now on Facebook Marketplace to maximize your profit. And the best part, you don't even need to stock up. I will show you how to get this product. Number 1, list them for sale. Number 2, and number 3, how does that making money instantly? I'm going to be listing 20 hot selling products. All right, now let's dive in. You see, making money on Facebook Marketplace is way easier than you think. You don't need capital because you can leverage dropshipping. Just find a supplier, list their product. In my last video, I shared with you how exactly you can list their product, list this product and make money online. You need to do all to check out that video. I'm going to be dropping the link to that video in the description of this video. You can only buy when you make a sale. Suppliers are everywhere, from local market to online stores, and some even offer pay on delivery services. So what are you waiting for? Pick any of this product, list it today, and start making money this season. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money making tips, and drop a comment if you need help getting started. See you in the next video. Bye.